Dr. Subramaniam Swamy, MP, has written to Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health regarding the SSR post-mortem report and AIIMS media reporting findings, and has said that he would like to raise the issue in tomorrow's meeting. This is something that Dr. Subramaniam Swamy had said earlier after certain leaks of the AIIMS media report had tried to suggest that there is no homicide angle as ascertained by the medical board. Let's go across to my colleague Piyush also. Piyush, what more can you tell us?
Well, friend, that's a big development coming in because Subramaniam Swamy, Rajya Sabha MP, is now coming out and he's saying that he's going to write a letter to Ram Gopal Standing Committee in which he will be asking for the inquiry into the kind of reports those were there submitted by the AIIMS panel. Now, what we are picking is that it's going to be very crucial when this happens because remember that Republic TV had exposed the kind of stand which was taken by Sudhir Gupta in just 4 weeks and he had come out with a report without having some sort of base or some sort of conclusion of his findings. But we are also told to our viewers that he himself had accepted the fact that the crime scene was contaminated, and we asked from our viewers as to how is it possible that when a man himself is saying that the scene was contaminated, how can he come to a conclusion that Sushant Singh died after committing suicide? So there were certain lapses as per the part of the Sudhir Gupta team, and looking at that now, Subramaniam Swamy has come out and he's saying that he's going to write a letter demanding inquiry into the report which has come out. We'll have to wait and watch as to how it moves ahead, but many questions have been raised. We also know that how AIIMS had issued a statement in which it had made it very clear that whatever findings those can come out, these findings will come out only and only by CBI, and they have submitted their report to CBI in which they had sidelined. They had they had said that nothing of this sort has been released by Sudhir Gupta, and everything will be released only and only by Central Bureau of Investigation. Also, let us remind to our viewers that the investigation in this case is going on. CBI is now in Mumbai for the second leg of investigation. There are many other things on which CBI is working on. We know that how there was a news report came out in which we also told to our viewers that on 13th there was a meeting which took place between Sushant Singh Rajput and Riya Chakrabarti. There are certain other links on which CBI is working on. So what we are latest breaking is that Subramaniam Swamy has now written a letter in which he is now seeking inquiry into the kind of report which has come out. Not only Subramaniam Swamy, but there are many other political leaders who want complete investigation in this case because it's not acceptable at all that Sushant Singh Rajput could die after committing suicide. And we know that how specific leaks were made by Sudhir Gupta to some media channels, and now onus lies on the standing committee as to how they take up the letter which has been written by Subramaniam Swamy.